Welcome back to Crypto Talk. I wanted to run you guys through Bitcoin here on the hourly. It is Sunday, so we're looking at the weekly close, where that's going to be. But I wanted to start it with the hourly here and kind of give you a rundown on what I'm looking at. So we had a nice bounce here at the point of control for this top region here. So this is the range I've been looking at. We've also had another range within a range. I'll delete this other little guy here so you get a better view. I still think we're going to come back down and look to retest a third time to get a 3-tap. Some people debate me what that is, but usually have 3 touches of an area to confirm the support before you move higher. So that's why I have this little bullet target here, which is coming in at the previous month high. You've also got the, what is that? The 200, no, it's the 100 EMA coming in at that point in time as well. No, excuse me, that's the 200 SMA coming in. So that's another big point of control area to bounce from. So we could hit our head up here and then look to get rejected. We are above the weekly and the daily VWAP currently. So if we could hold this, everything I just said is invalidated. But we also have bounced from the, what is that, the value area low currently. So the blue line you see here, upper bounds, lower bounds, and you got point of control. So in all respects, locally, we're in a bull flag, guys. So I'm bullish overall on the macro structure. This is, in my opinion, based on the 4-year cycle. This is the final shakeout before we start to march higher. Everything is pointing to this coming week as the week where things just start to progressively move in an aggressive fashion up. So that's what I'm looking for. We could have one more drawdown to the daily open. I've had an alarm set here for a while. I haven't touched it yet. I wanted to get elongated down here, but I haven't had time. Things are just too busy at work. So let's just jump back out to the monthly for you and give you a quick rundown. Sorry, this is the wrong chart for you. This is MEXC. Bitcoin's a little better. Or excuse me, Coinbase a little bit better. You've got a trigger wave about to print on the monthly. You've got VWAP turning up. It's hitting the 0 line now. Money flow is curving up. You've got tight RSIs pointing upward. So this is, in my opinion, this is just going to be a nice push higher. Let's delete all these drawings so I can see what we got going on here. So yeah, look at that. I mean, there's no way of refuting someone who's thinking this is bearish. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months of wicks on the bottom end showing buy pressure. So, and the more you got below, basically anything below 60 was bought up aggressively, especially below 56, 57. These wicks are tremendous, and it's just showing what I said the past 2 weeks of a higher low finally set on these last 2 candles. As soon as I saw this candle get put in and everything else is looking more progressive with that wick, I knew for a fact we're moving higher. So just to verify what I'm saying to you, so the 9 EMA on the monthly, so the blue line, excuse me, sometimes my lines are different in colors, is holding up tremendously. It's supporting everything. 20 EMA is always like the line of the sand for a bull run, in my opinion, on the monthly. You can see once it got back here, got above all of that, it just started to run hard. Same thing you're going to see here. If this continues up, we're going to look to push higher. Near-term targets, I have 85 to 95,000. When that happens, who knows? It could be 1 month, it could be 3 months, it could be 6 months. I don't know. The time frame is more or less what's important. I'll get into the BLX chart here in a second just to give you a run through, and I'll try not to get sidetracked with other topics that come to mind, just how my brain works. I'll zoom out for you a little bit. But I'm still projecting, based on the 2 past market cycles, a market cycle top March 2025. And if for any reason, because of U.S. elections and other stuff that I can't foresee, put that back. We're going to be looking to have an extended cycle out to October. That's it. The one thing I can guarantee for the most part, based on the last 3 cycles, is the bear market low coming in October of 2026. So that's what I'm looking for there. Jump back into the Coinbase chart. We'll run over to the weekly, which is looking bullish. You've got increasing money flow. You've got a very stable VWAP on the market Cipher B. You've got let's see, tight RSIs pointing up. So I'm looking for an aggressive move up over the next week or two. So that's what I'm looking for here. Daily has come out to print a trigger wave as well. You're looking to move higher at that point in time. All right, jump on down to the 8-hour. Yeah, you're just in a bull flag. I mean, we're had a rejection here. 1, 2, 3 came down. Formed a double bottom here. We're bouncing off the 20 EMA, or actually it's the 50 EMA here locally on the 8-hour. I'm looking for a push above 71. Then we're going to talk about all-time highs. And last but not least, we'll jump down to the 4-hour. Then I'm looking at, continuation. So as you can see now, we're pumping. I'll have to wait and see. This could have been it. We may not come any lower. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me at Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blockguard Discord, and if you need some private coaching, head over to Patreon, and I will get out a video on the Caspi ecosystem, especially the meme coins. So I'll talk to you soon, guys. Thanks.